What'd you get, buddy?
Push a letter button. Push a letter button.
P says P says S says
S.
Take it out of the box? I'll take it out of the box for you. Here, let me take it out of the box.
Push a letter button.
He's like, give it to me. Hey, hurry, Dad, hurry. Are those things you have to unscrew or something? Oh, there you go.
Yeah, you're done.
Look at that, your own computer.
That's like Mommy and Daddy.
Push a letter button.
Z says
Z. You have an email from me. Let's read it.
Can you see it like this, buddy?
Writing.
Oh, he told you.
Love Scout.
R says
R. Rabbit.
That's pretty cool, huh? Kaylee even likes it. She's kicking back there.